next move is one that I've hit in many competitions now. It's a Cartwheel Kimura. Usually hit those from open guard. A lot of people hit on the cartwheels, but I mean, if they work, they work. So open guard right here. So I'll be hand fighting a lot here. Again, good staggered stance. I don't want to be overcommitting to anything right yet. So I'm here hand fighting, clubbing him around until he forgets that I grab onto his wrist, right? Once I have this and he forgets about it because I'm overloading the senses a little bit, easy money. I should be able to pass pretty freely and set up this Cartwheel Kimura. So either pass him by just hitting this knee slice here or set up the move that we're about to hit. So when I hit this Cartwheel Kimura, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cartwheel this way, planting behind his thigh line right here as I go over the top and trying to pin this arm to the mat as well. And I'm kind of automatically going to my Kimura. So if I'm here, over the top, and you see wrist is already pinned to the mat. As I was flying through the air, I'm already here when I land. I threw my hip super hard into his face. Keep him teed up right here. I'm nice and perpendicular to him. Wrist is already pinned. This is how I've landed. All I have to do, feed this through. What I'd want to do here, you can either take it this way, but I like far more than anything else, stepping over the head, bringing it up. Good knee pinch, staying really tight here. And if he ends up locking his hands, then we can address this a couple ways. I like pulling out, then up, because a lot of people will be expecting to just take it this way. So I'll get a good knee pinch. I'll go here and over the top.
Hit that subscribe button.
That was a grappler you used to use, I believe. That was breaking the curse of good. Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Uh-oh.
Happy New Year to me.
Hit that subscribe button if you want to see that again.